Thomas here from TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Today I'm gonna do a small tutorial how I will put together the extended Motormount from Germany, custom RC parts and more. A big shout out to Michael Meyer who produced these products, which in my eyes are state of the art. With this motor mount you also can run the Castle 1717 motor, and the exactly dimension on the biggest pinion I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put this together and show how I do it. In this kit that I received is the motor mount, the front diff mount, and the Spool-Axle. This one particular are for 8mm bore pinions or spur gears, so unfortunately I don't have that kind of pinion, so I will use my own axle, but I will show you how I put this one together. So we start with a motor mount and the including bearing for the Spool-Axle, the front diff mount, a surely tight fit like a glove. So next you want to have the flat side for the spur gear or the pinion towards the motor pinion. That's how I use my own made Spool-Axle, so I hope I'm mounting this one correctly. And this one that I forgot to mention is for the ARRMA cars, particularly the Senton, the Typhon, the Talion, the Outcast, the Kraton. As far as I know, they are direct fit, no modification at all are needed, so I'm using the rear and front gearbox outrise for the center shafts. They are a direct fit. Now, since I'm not gonna run this axle, I'm not gonna secure it with Threadlocks. As you can see here is a cutout, so you can tighten the outdrive. And then the front part. Same here, secure it with Threadlocks. And then the gear cover. As I mentioned, I'm not going to use Threadlocks because I'm going to dismount this and using my own axle. But it sure is state-of-the-art finish on these products. Very easy to do deals with. Fast shipping, good prices. So this is the finished product. Then you add a motor here. Normally you will have a 8mm bore pinion or a spur gear adapter, etc, etc, but unfortunately, like I said, I don't have it. So but this is the final how it looks when it's done, and it's just to mount it in the car that you have. There's no difference between this and the original parts, so it's gonna be fun to test this in my Typhon later this summer. So any questions, please comment down below. I will put in the description a link to Germany Custom RC Parts and More's site, and hopefully you can get in touch with him. Hi guys, Thomas here, TV Parts Rc-Xtreme, back again with an extended Motormount from Germany Custom RC Parts and More. A big shout out to Michael Meyer who produced this piece of art stuff. Like I said in the previous clip, I'm gonna run this with my homemade 5mm axle, since I don't have a 8mm bore pinions for the axle. So hopefully I can put this together with the motor and everything, so we'll see how it goes. So I already lined up the spur gear, so put the axle in. Threadlock, I use green on this one to make sure nothing came loose. And like I said earlier, you have a slot here for the outright cup, so you can secure it. See, so it can be lined up properly. Oh, that was a lot of threadlock. Secured freely. The front part. And the other drive cup. So, and the motor. Now this can be tricky. Such a big pinion. You need to fasten the motor, get it in place. A POS top deck, mainly made for a fan over the motor, but I'm using it as a GPS holder. It's doing its job very good, so that will do. Secure it with Threadlock. So I just needed to remove a shim to get the perfect alignment. So let's see if I can put this screw where it belongs. Let's see. Yeah, it should be good. Secure the other one with Threadlock. Need proper tools. So finished product. And it looks really nice. Sorry. So it's gonna be a pleasure to mount it in the ARRMA Typhon GT later, and just wait for the summer. So like I said, any questions and so just comment below. We'll put a link in the description to MMM, Germany customer supports and more Facebook page. So well, there you have it.